Hello guys, and welcome to our brand new video. If you're a student, chances are your personal finances could use a boost. Unless you're on Rich Kids of Instagram, in which case you should probably stop listening right about now. For the rest of us, the struggle is real. Some of us get part-time jobs for an extra bit of income, but balancing your studies and a job is hard, especially if you're trying to keep your grades up. Luckily, the world of tech has opened up several ways for students to earn money online that 1. Actually work, and 2. Don't take up too much of your time. Did that catch your attention? Good, because in this video, we've compiled a list of some of the best apps that students can use to earn money online. There are 100 apps on the market claiming to make you a quick buck, but they don't all work. And for the ones that do, the payout is frankly underwhelming. We've done the research and filtered out the top money earning apps that actually work. They are as follows. Number 1. NotesGen. Are you a diligent note taker in class? Do your friends and colleagues routinely ask for your classroom notes? If you answered yes, then NotesGen is the right app for you. Simply upload your handwritten notes on a particular topic on the NotesGen platform. If other NotesGen users find your notes relevant, they can download them from the app, and you get paid based on the number of downloads. The great thing about NotesGen is that there are no restrictions on the number of topics you can upload. You could have multiple uploads ranging from specific subject notes to prep material on competitive tests. The app has over 5.5 million users and is available on both iOS and Android. Number 2. QMe. QMe is a popular survey-based app. The way it works is that you download and add the QMe app to your web browser and then search online using Chrome, Firefox, and Safari as usual. The QMe add-on shows you some additional ads with your regular search results. Some companies pay QMe to feature in these ads, and QMe in turn pays you a commission. Plus, if you click on the featured ad, you can also earn between 7p to 15p. Now for the survey bit, you can opt in to receive surveys on your QMe dashboard under the Surveys tab. Answer some questions about the types of surveys you'd like to receive. You can take surveys at any time, and the rewards get added to your account in real time with no minimum cash out limit. For example, if you earned £0.02, you could cash out £0.02. The QMe mobile app is available on iTunes Store and Google Play, so you can take surveys on the go. Surveys usually pay between 10 pence to £1.50. Number 3. Swagbucks. While it won't pay like other side hustles, Swagbucks is an easy way for anyone with a smartphone to make extra money by completing odd jobs or by earning cashback, which is why it wins best for odd jobs. This money-making app partners with marketing companies in order to pay users. You can earn Swagbucks by buying products, watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, and using search engines. Getting started is simple and doesn't require payment info. The daily checklist feature helps users keep track of ways to earn. Most tasks are easy, but not all award the same number of Swagbucks. Surveys take from 5 to 60 minutes and generally award users between 40 to 200 SBs, with 100 SBs valued at $1. Earning enough points to take out cash can take time. Swagbucks survey options are chosen based on demographics. Only users who fit specific profiles, like owning a pet boa constrictor or having 2 sets of twins, can access higher paying surveys. You can earn cashback on an in-store purchase by linking a credit card. After spending $25 on purchases through retail partners, new users can earn a $10 joining bonus. Swagbucks can also offer referral incentives. You can redeem points for rewards immediately through Swagbucks, but receiving cash via PayPal or gift card codes could take up to 10 business days. Number 4. Be My Eye. Be My Eye is a market research app that involves surveying and reporting on product placement in stores. The way it works is you download the app and then browse through the available missions near you. These missions could include taking photos of how a certain biscuit brand is displayed on a store shelf to actually speaking to a store manager about the sale and search volume for a brand of tea. Every part of the task is completed through the app. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and you'll be fine. You'll even be shown the optimum route to take to the store via Google Maps and given sufficient time to get there before starting your task. Once at the store, you will be asked to answer a few questions and take pictures of the shelves displaying the products. At the end of your task, you only have to click on Finish Mission on the app to send your report. Be My Eye is one of the better paying apps, with payments ranging from £3 to £10, depending on the length and complexity of the task. Pro tip: tasks get picked up fast, so consider turning on notifications on your phone to get alerts whenever they become available. Number 5. Rakuten. Previously known as Ebates, Rakuten is the top money-making app for cashback, offering deals across numerous retailers along with inviting, sign-up, and referral incentives. Although you have to spend money to make money, the app lets you get a little cash back for purchases you'd be making anyway. After registering, users can browse cashback offers at thousands of retailers, including Target, Best Buy, and Kohl's. To receive cashback, simply click into a retailer from the app or website and place an order. You can also receive cashback for in-store purchases by selecting the offer in the app and linking your card prior to purchasing. However, you can't receive cashback without first taking these steps. Cashback rates vary by retailer, ranging from 1% to 40%. You can browse available cashback deals by store, brand, and category directly through the app. New users can qualify for a $10 welcome bonus after spending $25. You can also receive a $30 referral bonus for introducing new users who spent $30. Users receive payment through PayPal or a check every 3 months. To qualify for a payout, you must accrue at least $5 in cashback. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.